Hey babes, welcome to my channel. So I finally got on the BoxyCharm train. I mean, I've had like the regular boxes, but now I'm on the BOXYLUXE train. So this is gonna be like, was it really worth it, or is it a waste to do $28? So if you don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service, but every 3 months they do a BoxyLuxe. So it's supposed to have like 200 and up worth of value, but you only pay $49.99. Excuse me, I believe. So let's get into it. So I've already taken everything out because I cheated and I looked at it already. Plus they always do like sneak peeks and then they show you pretty much what you're getting, so you can decide if you want to opt in or not. So what I did is I did a 3-month subscription basically. So like I prepaid for 3 months, and you save a little bit when you pay more. And then I'll put like my code for referral or whatever if you guys want to get like free shipping and a discount off your first box. But yeah, so let's get into it. So this time, for my first time, it came with a little bag to put everything in. So I put everything in the bag. And it's super cute, so I might end up using it. You never know. But it says BoxyCharm on the inside. And it came with some goodies, baby. Some real goodies. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this Cover FX. This guy here. And it's the Cover FX Perfect Face Palette. So it's a contour, highlight, has a finishing powder. And what's nice is when you do BoxyCharm, you take a survey with all your, like, you know, skin tone, hair color, eye color, so that when you get your boxes, some of the colors are kind of tailored to your skin tone. So you don't have to be like, oh, well, I got the really fair one, but I'm, you know, really melanated. So yeah, so I got this one, and this is the, oh, so gorgeous. Oh, I forgot to grab the little thing. Give me a second, I'm gonna give you the prices. You still there? Okay. All right. So this retails for, let's see, because they give you a little sheet that tells you how much everything is, and it retails for $45. So you pretty much already got the $45, the $48 for this. Okay, so everything's just a bonus from here, you know what I mean? So what's next? So we got some Moda brushes, and these retail for $29.99. and you got two. It's the powder and soft glow. I'm gonna open this up since I've already kind of squished that. But yeah, good thing I have a trash can right behind me. So we can go ahead and open this up. I hope these are super soft, because ooh, they're pretty too. Ooh, look at this color. Okay, I'm ready for this brush. Like, you don't even know. I've been wanting one of these because MAC came out with a brush and they only made it limited edition, but this is like, oh, and it's so soft. Ooh, and I get a discount from that. Pro discount, baby. I'm gonna go buy some more. Yes. Oh, it's like super soft. Like, this is like the softest brush. They playing with my soul right here, I'm telling you. And then this is the powder brush. It's not as soft. Like, this is way softer. But I mean, I'll probably use this to like dust off my powder versus putting powder on. So I'm gonna put them guys to the side. But shoot, I paid $29 just for this one. This is like the softest, like, you don't understand. You need one of these. Woo. Saved my life. Alright, so then we also got the Iconic Brow Cushion. And they gave it to me in medium. We're gonna see what this color looks like, because medium. So that would be my only coral, because I would need dark. I mean, I don't know how their colors run, so we're gonna toss that over there. And it's literally like a cushion, so you gotta open it up. Oh, I don't want to take the seal off, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it just for y'all. I can't get it off, y'all. I cannot. Oh, there we go. Oh, never mind. That might work. That might work, especially if it oxidizes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this back in here, because I know I ain't gonna use that anytime soon, I don't think, because I got a lot of brow products. But maybe we'll do a full-on review for you babies. I mean, I just might, because you gonna hit that subscribe button, right? I know you are. And you gonna follow me on Instagram, right? Miss Makeup Faye. You got me. I know you got me because I got you. But let's keep carrying on. So this is what I was actually excited for. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. And it's the full size, which retails for, let's see, $48. So just this alone would be the price of the box. Ooh, I would get on the wagon. I mean, I probably don't even need to buy makeup each month with the subscription. The other thing that I saw in the sneak peeks is the Monie Faye palette, and this is the, let's see, I got my little paper here. Doop, doop, doop. Why am I blind? I looked right at it. This retails for $16. This is a 15 shade artistry palette. They had 3 choices. The color scheme that I got is the Brunch Babe, the 15B, which is this here, which kind of speaks to my soul. That's all I'm gonna say about it. I can't wait to try it. And it's like, these little ones are like real sturdy and heavy duty and have a huge mirror. So this thing is like perfect for travel, which is probably what I'm gonna do with it. And then I really want to try this. They put this all over their, like, excuse me, I have horrible hiccups. Oh my goodness, there's something wrong with me. No, I'm just kidding. But it's the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask from Wonder Beauty. And they made it in a custom color for them, which is a rose gold, because it normally doesn't come in this color. And this retails a full. Come on now. Where is it? I probably should wear glasses. There it is. $34. I think at the end of this, or somewhere around here, I'm gonna put a calculations so you can see how much this really adds up to. We're gonna put that baby to the side. And then we have the Deborah Lippmann. We got some nail polishes. I mean, I do my own nails and I normally do gel, but this is cute. I might use this on my toes. And this retails for $20. Just racking it up, eh? I was really excited to see this because I wanted to try these lashes, but they're kind of expensive and I don't know if I can get a pro discount or not, which are the Lily lashes. And these are in, these aren't the mink ones, but these are the faux mink. And they are limited edition, probably made specifically for this collection because a lot of companies make products specifically for BOXYCHARM. And then these are in Gaia, which are these pretty babies right here. Just like that. And then last but not least, oh, those retail for $24, sis. All right, let me carry on. Ooh, so last but not least is this Becca lip. There it is, and it retails for $24. Let's see what color I got. I got souffle. Would you like to make me a souffle? But hopefully this is like a color I will use. We might work with it. It's probably something I wouldn't normally choose, but I might put it with a dark lip liner and make an ombre and make it work. Or I might give it away. I'll probably give it away. But the bonus was the train case, which retails on their site. It says for MSRP is $20. So if I take a quick glance, I'm gonna say this is 50 and 50. That's 100. That's 155. 195. That's 210, 250, 285. Girl, this is like without taxes and stuff, like a $305 value. Pretty much. We'll calculate it total somewhere, put it in the description box. But that's like a rough estimate. I rounded a few things just to make it quick. But you know, yeah. For $49. So, was it worth it? I think so. But I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at msmoniefaye. And if you want to catch a couple beats like this off the tube, you can also follow me on my Facebook, which I will link down below. Talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.